Hello everybody, welcome back. This time, come, let's travel to Sakleshpur.
Sakleshpur is in Western Ghats.
This place is green all around. If there's so much vegetation, then a river should be definitely flowing through it. Hemavati is one such river of this region. Let us start our trip with a visit to Hemavati Reservoir. Huge amount of water is stored behind this dam gates. See these paddy fields that are well fed by this water. Now over to the magical place where we stayed in Sakleshpur. This is Hemakuta homestay in the Atihalli village. We had a great time there.
This is Kiwi, friendly dog. There was a lot for us to explore.
To explore more, we ventured out to Kakinahare. Here, we could see rolling hills all around. It was all green after the monsoon. The next spot is Bisle Ghat. More and more hills were here to see. Each inch of these majestic slopes are covered with evergreen forest. Despite such dense vegetation, heavy monsoons result in landslides. This is Malali waterfalls. So much water, a terrific sight. But we couldn't play there.
So we went to another falls, Mokanammani waterfalls.
We had to walk along narrow paths through trees and rocks to reach the right spot. Here, we had lots and lots of fun, splashing with water and playing with sand.
Next day, we went on the plantation tour.
This is a coffee plant. See the berries. Sakleshpur is famous as a cardamom belt. These are cardamom plants. You can see cardamom just near the ground. This is a young pepper climber. Rice is grown in plenty. This is a rice mill where we got local rice. Next, we move on to Manjarabad Fort. This fort was built by Tipu Sultan. You can see a tunnel path here. Here is a lookout spot. Warriors ready with guns to defend the fort would have stood right here. This unique fort is star-shaped. With this, we conclude our Sakleshpur trip.
Bye bye.